Hello, I'm Chef Pops. Today I'm going to show you how to make potato salad, which can be used as a side dish or as a snack. Let's get started. These are the ingredients we'll be using in today's recipe. We will leave the full recipe in the description box. I'll start by peeling and cutting the potatoes. I'm using yellow potatoes, which are harder than white potatoes or red skin. Now I'm going to start cutting the potatoes. Cut on one side and then put it down so it's stable to cut. And then we'll make small cubes. These are the sizes of potatoes, and I'll put them in water. Later we'll be boiling that. Potato number 2. Some pieces are larger than the other, but that doesn't matter. Again, you can see the sizes. The last potato. These are the rest of the potatoes. We'll just take the starch out a little bit, and then we'll put some fresh water and then boil it for about 15 minutes. Now I'll empty the starchy water and put some fresh water. I'm putting hot water. Cover all the potatoes nicely. In it goes now. And then put in for 15 minutes and on. While the potatoes are boiling, I'll start cutting my peppers and dill pickle. I have about 4 slices of red bell peppers, 2 slices of green bell peppers, and 3 pieces of dill pickle. I'll start with green. I'll cut them small because we don't want them to be too big. That might spoil the taste of the salad. Now I'll start cutting my dill pickle. Dill pickles are sour, so it gives a little bit of soury taste in the salad. And green and red peppers will give a little bit crunch in it, and it makes the salad look good. Everything nice and small. It will blend good with the salad. That's how they look. It's 15 minutes now, and I'll take out the potatoes. That's how they look now. Now I'll strain the water and then put the potatoes back in the bowl. The potato is now ready, and you can see it's nice and soft. Breaks. This is 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I put just 1/4 because mayonnaise is quite salty. 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of yogurt. Now I'll mix it up. So whilst I'm mixing this salad, I'm pressing some of them so it becomes like a mushy, as well as pieces of potatoes will come in your mouth. I squeezed out some of the juices from that, so it tastes better, the salad. Mix them up. And this is your nice creamy potato salad. Now I'll do the taste test and let you know how it is. Just as I thought it would be. It's nice, sour, salty, and a little bit black pepper give a little bit heat. It's nice. Try it out. This is our finished potato salad ready to eat. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you have any comments, please leave them below in the comment section. If you haven't subscribed to our channel already, please do so. And remember to hit the bell button so you are notified each and every time we post a new video. And remember to share this video with all of your friends. Until next time.